Alright guys, so I'm going to do a quick video on where my YouTube channel stands. This is 1 year after I started my channel to the date. I'm at 2,618 subscribers in 1 year. Right now I'm at last 48 hours, 6,378 views. See my estimated revenue. This is what everybody wants to get to. I'll go through everything though. Views and watch time are pretty much the same. Um, Subscribers are all over the place. You know, it's everywhere. Estimated revenue has been climbing lately. All my videos, if you watch my channel, are repair videos on lawn equipment, and lawn doesn't grow everywhere else in the U.S. I'm in South Florida, so it's summer all the time here. So, you know, it's all I do pretty much. There is no snowblowers in South Florida. So, you know, during the winter, mine goes down. I've noticed it from, you know, this year to last year to this year. It's gone down during the winter and then goes up in the summer. Um, this is the last 28 days what I've made, 494.95 the last 28 days. If you look at the last 365 days, you notice that I didn't make money half the year because this date, Sunday, September 20th, I hadn't monetized yet. But the 21st, I had monetized, but I only got about half my videos that I had monetized at that point. And then it was full on. So you'll see, there was a good high day there. And then it started going down for the winter, and then now the summer's here, it's coming back up. So on the September 21st of this year, I'll do 1 year of being monetized, so you can see how much I made my first year. But not bad for a half a year, $2,911. It's, you know, nice to have a little extra spending money, you know. Let's see with the revenue tab. Yeah. So this is what you actually make per mil, which is per 1,000 views. And that's views where they viewed the actual advertisement. This is what they pay, but the other half goes to YouTube. All right. What else here over here? Watch time. Uh, That's pretty much it. I've got almost 600 videos in 2 years, so I'm, you know, just under 2 videos a day, I guess, is my average. But you know, I don't do anything in the weekends, holidays. I took a big Christmas chunk off, couple of weeks, so you know, it's what it is. I answer all my questions all the time, so anybody has questions, go ahead. Um, Dashboard. See, everything's been climbing up. The current subscribers to 2,618, but everything's been going. That's up 307 subscribers in the last 28 days. I'm up 26% on my views, 32% watch time, and 48% on my revenue. And that's just the AdSense, Google AdSense, the revenue that you're seeing here. Amazon Associates, let's see here, product links, no, reports, earnings reports, is a different, another part of the revenue. And see, that's everywhere. You know, it's all over. The last 28 days, I made $176.70. Or is it the last month? Yeah, last 30 days. I can go, let's see, custom date range. Let's see. Let's go back. It's just to that, just for shits and giggles. apply, boom. Ah, what the heck? Okay, that's not what I wanted. Custom date range. Oh. March 2020. Okay, let's go. Oh, there we go. All right. Now apply. Oh, it can span 90 days. Of course it can. This is quarter. There we go. But, you know, $330 this quarter so far from January 1st to today. I keep everything in the last 30 days. So, last 30 days I made $176 on this. And on this I've made $494 or $495. So, you know, not too bad for a month's income on YouTube. I'm not full-timing YouTube, obviously, at this point. I'm gonna keep working, but it's doing its thing. All right, guys. There isn't really much else to show you guys. My views are up 76,000 more than usual. But not much else to show you guys. This is pretty much it. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and message me. I'll give you any answers I can. You know, if you want to know how to monetize or anything like that, just let me know, and I'll answer any questions I can for you. If this helped you out, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Peace.